We're going to do the 7 taps with the 7 secrets of good activation. 1 affirmation per tap. Ready? Shake your legs. Okay. Eyebrow center. I set the stage with good input. Say it. I set the stage with good input. Okay, with me on the sides of the eyes. I open access to my accelerative learning mind. Good. Under the eyes. I ask effective questions. Good. Next one. Oh, the upper lip. Multiple intelligences. Good. Lower lip. I remain in primary consciousness. Good. Chest. I maintain positive expectancy. Under the arm. I recognize my genius mind, optimize my memory. Now give yourself one on the top of your head. Give yourself one. Let's hear it. Say it out loud. I have excellent photoreader and great activation abilities. Yeah? Let me hear a whoop. Woohoo! Excellent. Round of applause for everybody in here.